Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Julia Evangeline Knight, your sugar baby. Alright guys, so for today's content, another video, another unboxing. Ayan, actually it's been a while, parang 1 week na to na nakarating dito sa bahay. But ngayon ko lang i-open. So, let's see what's inside in 3, 2, 1. Let's intro first.
Nood na tayo ng mga good vibes na mga video natin ni Ate Lia B. Tara at mag-explore, tayo'y mapangiti, mga saya niya na hatid sa atin. Ito ang vlog ni Ate Lia B.
Okay guys, so now, check natin. So ito in-order ko sa TikTok shop. Nakita ko lang na trending. So, I was interested. Now, let's see. Okay, so Catweed. And, let's see. Open natin. And ta-da! Ayan. So, eto guys are air freshener. O, diba? Ang ganda tingnan and very aesthetic. So, eto guys is okay, car aromatherapy. So, car air freshener in short. Ganito siya. Ayan. Mabango siya guys. Mabango siya. Ayan. Sorry sa akin mga bibigyan. Mabango siya. And actually guys, ang cute niya tingnan. Oh, diba? Ganito lang siya. Very aesthetic. And, madala siyang ganito na ilalagay sa loob. Okay, so ito, number 5 yung pangalan ng scent na to. Diba? Ang ganda guys. Ganito siya. Very aesthetic. And meron pa akong isang in-order. Dalawang scent actually. Let's see the other one. And this one is the second one. Okay, this is Oud Arga Wood na scent. Ganito din siya guys. Very aesthetic and mabango siya. Ayan. Ang bango. Parang ito bang pwede ba ito sa sa kwarto? Kung gusto ko ilagay sa kwarto. Ito, sakto lang. Mabango din. Hindi ko alam. Maybe ito na lang sa car. Ano ito sa kwarto. Saan ba? Pero etong scent na to, na dalawa na to, si number 5, saka si Oud Arga Wood. Ito yung mga bestseller ng Catweed. Ayan. So yun guys, that was our unboxing for today. And kung gusto nyong bumili ng ganito, interested kayo. Meron pang isang scent, parang green tea or jasmine. Yata yun. I don't know. I forgot the scent. Yung color green naman yung bottle na yun. Yun. May ibang scent. And if you want to order one of these guys, very trending po siya ngayon. So, if you're interested and want to buy, just DM me on my Facebook page, Lia B 2.0 or Lia B 3.0, so I can give you the link. And of course, don't forget guys to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Again, thank you so much for watching and see you on my next vlog. Love, love, love.